In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear sway bar bushings on your Ford Fusion. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford Fusion safely. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a ratchet and a 14mm socket, unscrew the sway bar bracket retaining bolt and nut. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then, remove the metal bracket. Lift it off using a small crowbar as a lever. Remove the bushing. Clean the sway bar and the bracket with a wire brush. Also, clean the contact surface between the bushings and the body. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bushing. Apply assembly grease to facilitate the installation. Install it in the sway bar. Put the metal bracket back in place. Then screw the metal bracket back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.